Have you ever wondered why food tastes so bland when your mouth is dry? It's not just your imagination. Without saliva, our taste buds are practically useless. Saliva is like a crucial ingredient in the recipe of taste perception. It might sound strange, but try swallowing your saliva before taking a bite of your favorite food. You'll notice the difference. Saliva often gets a bad rap. We think of it as drool or something we spit out, but in reality, saliva is a powerful fluid with a crucial job. Produced by glands in our mouth, saliva is mostly water, but it also contains special enzymes and proteins. Think of it as a complex cocktail that helps us break down food and unlock its delicious flavors. Those little bumps on your tongue, those aren't your taste buds, but they house them. Taste buds are like tiny sensors that line the sides of those bumps, called papillae. Each taste bud has special receptor cells that can detect different tastes: sweet, salty, sour, bitter, and umami, savory. But these receptors need a little help to do their job, and that's where saliva comes in. Section 4. Breaking it down: saliva's digestive power. Imagine trying to stuff a giant hamburger into a coin slot. It's not going to work. This is a great analogy for understanding how our bodies deal with food. When we eat, the food we consume is often in large, complex forms that our bodies can't immediately use. Just like the hamburger and the coin slot, our digestive system needs to break down these large food items into smaller, more manageable pieces. That's kind of what it's like for your taste buds to detect flavor molecules in a dry mouthful of food. Without enough saliva, the food remains in its large, complex form, making it difficult for the taste buds to do their job. This can lead to a frustrating eating experience where flavors are muted or hard to detect. Saliva acts like a lubricant, making it easier to chew and swallow. It moistens the food, allowing it to be broken down into smaller pieces more efficiently. This not only makes the act of eating more comfortable, but also prepares the food for the next stages of digestion. More importantly, those enzymes in saliva start breaking down food into smaller molecules that can actually fit into the taste receptors on your taste buds. These enzymes, such as amylase, begin the process of digestion right in the mouth. They break down complex carbohydrates into simpler sugars, making it easier for your body to absorb nutrients later on. This initial breakdown is crucial because it sets the stage for the rest of the digestive process, ensuring that your body can efficiently extract the energy and nutrients it needs from the food you eat. Section 5. Taste travels from tongue to brain. Once the taste receptors on our taste buds are activated, they send signals through nerves to our brain. But these signals can't travel on their own. Saliva acts like a messenger, carrying the dissolved flavor molecules to the receptors and helping to transmit those taste signals to the brain, where they're interpreted as deliciousness. Section 6. Taste Mythbusters. Can you really only taste on your tongue? You might have seen those tongue maps that show specific areas for tasting sweet, sour, salty, and bitter. These maps have been around for a long time and are often found in textbooks and educational materials. They suggest that each part of the tongue is responsible for a different taste sensation. But guess what? That's a myth. Modern science has debunked this idea. Research shows that all taste sensations can be detected by all parts of the tongue. The tongue map is more of a simplification than a scientific fact. While different areas of our tongue might be slightly more sensitive to certain tastes, the truth is we can taste all tastes all over our tongue. This means that whether you're eating something sweet like chocolate, something salty like chips, or something bitter like coffee, your entire tongue is involved in the tasting process. Our sense of taste is surprisingly complex and involves much more than just our tongue, including our sense of smell. When you eat, the aroma of the food travels to your nose and enhances the flavor. This is why food can taste bland when you have a cold and your nose is blocked. Additionally, texture and temperature also play a role in how we perceive taste. So the next time you enjoy a meal, remember that it's a full sensory experience, not just a function of your tongue. Section 7. Saliva, the unsung hero of flavor. Saliva is often taken for granted, but it plays a crucial role in our daily lives, especially when it comes to enjoying food. So next time you savor a delicious meal, remember to thank your saliva. It's not just about keeping your mouth moist, it's about enhancing every bite you take. This often overlooked fluid is much more than just drool. It's the key that unlocks a world of flavor. Saliva contains enzymes that start the digestion process right in your mouth. Saliva helps us break down food, carries taste molecules to our taste buds, and makes it easier to chew and swallow. Imagine trying to eat a dry cracker without any saliva. It would be nearly impossible. Saliva also plays a role in sending taste signals to our brains. When you taste something delicious, it's your saliva that helps transmit those flavors to your taste buds and then to your brain, creating that wonderful sensation of taste. Without saliva, eating would be a pretty bland experience. It's the unsung hero that makes every meal enjoyable, turning simple ingredients into a symphony of flavors. So, let's give a round of applause to saliva, the true hero of our taste experiences.